Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about type of numbers. Types of numbers. Types of numbers. Even and odd numbers. Even and odd numbers. Already you learned this one. What is even number? What is odd number? Then first one, even numbers. All of you know this one. What is even numbers? Even numbers are those numbers that are divided by 2 if all the multiple of 2 are even numbers. What is even number? Even numbers are those numbers that are divided by 2. Divided by 2. Otherwise, if all the multiples of 2 are even numbers. For example, 2, 8, 10, 36, then 132. These are the example for even numbers. These are the example for even numbers. Then first one, definition of even number. Even numbers are those numbers that are divided by 2 if all the multiples of 2 are even numbers. Even numbers, for example, 2, 8, 10, 36, 132, etc. Okay, these are the even numbers. Then all even numbers can be divided equally into parts. Equally into first one, all even numbers can be divided, all even numbers can be divided equally into pairs. Okay. For example, here example, what's the first number? 2. 2 can be divided into equally into pairs. Divided equally into pairs. Then how do you can divide this number? 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 1. The next number 8. 8 is equal to 4 plus 4. Then 10. 10 is equal to 5 plus 5. So all even numbers can be divided equally into pairs. This is 1, this is also 1. Same numbers. Okay. The next point, even number always end with the digit 0. Even number always end with the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, this is the important point. Even number always end with the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, 6 and 8. The next one, the number 0 is an even number. The number 0 is an even number. Okay. What is even number? What is even number? Even numbers are those numbers that are divided by 2 if all the multiples of 2 are even numbers. Then first property, all even numbers can be divided equally into pairs. The next point, even number always end with the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. The number 0 is an even number. The number 0 is an even number. The next topic, odd number. Odd numbers. Okay. Then what is odd number? Odd numbers are those numbers that are not divisible by 2. Odd numbers means that are not divisible by 2. Odd numbers are those numbers that are not divisible by 2. Then that number is known as odd number. For example, 1, 5, 7, 11, 17, then 117, 1117. These are the example for odd numbers. These are the example for odd numbers. Then here odd numbers cannot be divided equal into pairs. Okay, equal into pairs. First point, odd numbers cannot be divided equally into pairs. Can divide this number 5, then 2 plus 3, otherwise 3 plus 2. Oh, so two numbers are different numbers. So the first point, odd numbers cannot be divided equally into pairs. Then next, odd numbers ending with the digits 1, 3, 5. Odd number end with the digits 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay, odd number end with the digit 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Even number end with the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Then, did you understand this one? Types of numbers. Shall I pass on the question? Example questions. Okay. Example 6. List all the even numbers. List all even numbers between 20 and 30. What's the question? List all the even numbers between 20 and 30. The even numbers between, you find out the value even numbers between 20 and 30. Then the even numbers are end with the number 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8. Between the numbers here 20 to 30. What's the even number in between 20 to 30? What's the first even number? 30, 22. Okay, first even number 22. In between numbers 20 and 30, first even number 22. Then next, find all the even numbers. Okay, 20 to 30. So you find out the up to 30 much you find out. 22. Then next one, 24, 26 and 28. Okay, and 28. These numbers are even numbers. The next example, check whether the following numbers are even or odd. A 45,867. B 23,780. Okay, then first we want to check the unit place digit. Okay, here first number, the unit place value is, what's the first number? 45,867. 45,867. 867. First you want to check that unit place digit. Unit place digit. Here that unit place digit ending with 20248, then that number is known as even number. Suppose the unit place digit is ending with 13579, then that number is known as odd number. So first you can check the first number, 45,869. Here the unit place value is 7. Unit place value is 7. The number end with the number is 7. So this number is which number? Odd or even number? Odd number. Okay, odd number. Then B, 23,780. Then here what's the units place value? Units place value 0. 0 is an odd number or even number? 0 is an even number. So this number 23,780 is an even number. Okay, even number. Then next one, prime and composite numbers. Prime and composite numbers. Then first one, prime numbers. Prime numbers. What is prime number? Prime numbers are those numbers that you have only two factors. That are prime numbers are those numbers that you have only how many factors? Only two factors. That numbers are known as prime numbers. Okay, for example, 3, the number 3, this numbers, the factor of this numbers are 1 and 3. The factor of this numbers are 1 and 3. So this number is, what's number? Prime number. The prime numbers are those numbers that you have only two factors. That number is known as prime numbers. 1 and the number itself. 1 and, for example, 3. Here the factors are 1 and 3. That same number, 1 and the same number itself. So then 5 also prime number. 5 also prime number. Then next one, composite number. What is composite number? Composite numbers. Composite numbers. Then composite numbers are those numbers that have more than two factors. Composite numbers means that numbers that have more than two factors. More than two factors. That number is known as composite number. That number is known as composite number. Prime number. Prime number means the prime numbers are those numbers that you have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Composite number, the composite numbers are those numbers that you have more than two factors. Then for example, the factor of 4 is 1 into 4, 2 into 2. So here the factors are 1, 2, 4. How many factors have here? 3 factors, 1, 2 and 4. So this number is more than 2 factors. So this one is composite number. This one is the composite number. Okay. Then properties of number and composite number. Properties of prime and composite number. properties. First one, there are infinite number of prime numbers. There are infinite number of prime numbers. That is the first property. Okay. Infinite number of prime numbers. Infinite number of prime numbers. Then second property, one is neither a prime nor a composite number. One is neither a prime nor a composite number. Okay. First point, there are infinite number of prime numbers. Infinite number of prime numbers. The next point, one is neither a prime number nor composite number. The next one, 2 is only even prime number. Does is only even prime number? 2. 2 is the only even prime number. 2 is only even prime number. 2 is only even prime number. Okay. The next one, sieve of heterogeneous. Sieve of Herodotus. This Herodotus, that is the Greek mathematician. He had devised a method around 2000 years ago to find the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Okay, 1 to 100. Then already I tracked this number. Okay, tabular column, and I put the numbers 100. First here, first step, write down the numbers 1 to 100. That one over. Okay. Then first step, what you do? Write down 1 to 100. Up to, we can start the number 1 to 100. Then next we can cross out 1, as it is neither prime nor composite. So 1 is, what's the property? 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. So you can strike this 1. Okay. Then next, circle 2 and cross out all the multiple of 2. Can circle 2, the number 2 you can circle it, and next cross out all the multiple of 2. Then multiple of 2 is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60. Okay. Circle the number 2 and remaining all the multiple of 2, you strike it. 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80. Then 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, only this one, 92, 93, 99, okay, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Then first step over, first 3 steps over. The next one, circle 3 and cross out all the multiple of 3. You can circle the 3. Circle 3, then cross out all the multiple of 3. Then 9. Then next, already cut it, 15, 18 cut 9, 21 and 24 already cut it, 27, 30, then next 33, 36 already cut it, 39, 42 already cut it, then 45, 48 you cut it, 51, 54, 57, and then 61, 63, 69, 72 already cut it, 75, 78 you cut it, then 81, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96 cut it, then 96, okay, then 3 over, then just repeat this for into 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9, okay, one by one you will repeat it, then here fully remaining number is round it, okay, 7, 5, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 25, fifth table you cut that one, then 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 49 also you can 7 the table cut that one, then 53, 59, 61, 71, 65, 67, then 77, 7 the table, then 79, 89, 83, 73, 85 of the table, and you also can remaining here 97, okay, remaining all them, then remaining this the numbers that are not crossed out are prime numbers. Can strike all the numbers not a prime number, remaining you can put the circle, some of the numbers you can put the circulate, that numbers are prime numbers, so 1 to 100, what are the prime numbers here now? 1 to 100, say the prime numbers, first number 2, 3, 5, 7, just 11, 13, 17, 19, 29, 23 also got 23, 29, 31, 35 also fifth table that one got, then 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and last number 97. These are the prime numbers up to the prime numbers from 1 to 100. These are the prime numbers. Okay, did you understand this one? Then classify the following as a prime number or composite number. Classify up to 1 to 100. These are the prime numbers. Then classify the following as prime or composite composite numbers. Okay, composite number. First one A 13, B 86. Then first one 13. Already you know 13 is an composite number because here only two factors have 1 and 13. 1 and 13. So this number 13 is a prime number. 13 is a prime number. Okay, only two factors here are 1 and 13. So this number is a prime number. Okay, then 86. 86 is a, here you can 86 into 1 into 86, then 86 equal to 2 into 43. Then using the that here how many factors are 1 2 then also some factors are. Okay, so many factors are, only two factors means that is a prime number, but here more factors are. So this is the 86 is a composite number. Okay, 86 is a composite number, 1 2 33 and 86. So this is a composite. 86 is a composite number. Okay, did you understand today's topic? Okay, thank you. Then homework question, mark it, homework question. Try this, page number 47. Try this for number 1. Okay, for page number 37. Try this for number 1. Then next page number 48. Page number 48. Try this 5 number 1. These are the homework question. Okay, thank you students.